day to everybody. It is Wednesday, January 6th. We're going to start off with something we have not ripped in a while. This is 1920 Revolution Basketball. We are hunting for Kobe. See if we can pull a Kobe auto here. Here we go. All right, we got Zach LaVine, Andre Drummond, Trae Young, a Vortex insert of Kawhi Leonard, and rookie Tyler Hero. All right, CJ McCollum, De'Aaron Fox, Gary Harris. It's a Shockwave insert, Bradley Beal, and Bam Adebayo. Julius Randle, Al Horford, Malcolm Brogdon. Then we have a Jordan Poole. Rookie, that's the Astro parallel, and Carson Edwards. Oops. Draymond Green, Thomas Bryant, Joel Embiid, Supernova, The Beard, James Harden, and D'Angelo Russell. Groove parallel. Klay Thompson, Blake Griffin, Derrick Rose, Vortex of Paul George, and then a Taco Fall rookie. Eric Bledsoe, Karl Anthony Towns, Jamal Murray, and we've got a Jamal Murray. This is numbered 25 of 100 Cosmic. The Karis LeVert. John Collins, we do have an autograph coming. Come on. Victor Oladipo. Romeo Langford is the on-card autograph. Followed by Cam Reddish. And Darius Garland, rookie. And finish out this box, we got Gordon Hayward, Buddy Hield, Kyle Lowry, Jackson Hayes, Rookie Revolution, and Andrew Wiggins. That is the Groove Parallel. Let's see what he wants to do with this one. Alright, we're going to do the other one here. Yeah, Garland and Sexton, pretty good backcourt, right? These were $5.50 a box. $5.50. Hey, Bobby. What's happening, buddy? How are you? All right. Luka. We got a Colin Sexton. LaMarcus Aldridge. There's a liftoff insert of Ja Morant and Damian Lillard. Kevin Huerter. Oh, I think we're going to get another autograph. Jeff Teague. Is Hawks. It is DeAndre Hunter. All right, well, at least we went 2 for 2 on autographs. DeAndre Hunter autograph. Followed by Damian Lillard, Shockwave. And Talen Horton-Tucker. And his meteoric rise in the secondary market. All right, Lonnie Walker, Karis LeVert. Say Jaren Jackson, and, well, there you go, Talen Horton-Tucker. That is numbered 27 of 100, Cosmic. With Karis LeVert, Groove. You've got a 16-box case of this somewhere? Nice. Russell Westbrook, Giannis, Michael Porter Jr. There's a DeAndre Hunter. There's the Astro parallel, and Justin Robinson, rookie. Steven Adams, Steph Curry, Anthony Davis, and a Darius Garland. Rookie Revolution inserts. Mike Conley. Astro. Russell Millsap, Porzingis. We have a Shockwave insert of Kobe White. And Keldon Johnson, his stuff taking a big jump past few days. Lillard, DeRozan, Devin Booker. There's a Vortex insert of Giannis and Russell Westbrook. Groove. And we'll finish up. Joker, DeAndre Jordan. Then we've got a Ty Jerome. Let's see, Fractal rookie and Terrence Mann. Now round out box number 2 on the Revolution. All right, buddy, I appreciate it once again. I will get it all packed up, shipped out ASAP.